Good morning, children. Today we'll start a new lesson. Lesson 6, Every Drop Counts. Children, as you all know, water is essential for our life. And as this chapter says, every drop counts means every drop is precious. So, we should save each and every drop of water so that we can use it in future. Children, today I am going to tell you a story about saving water. Now this story is about a king of Rajasthan who saved every drop of rainwater so that his kingdom never suffer from shortage of water. ये एक ऐसे राजा की कहानी है जिसने कभी भी अपने राज्य में पानी की कमी नहीं होने दी. Long ago, that is 650 years ago, there was a king named Ghadsi. He was king of Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is in Rajasthan. Jaisalmer had always been a dry land of sand. It rained very little here. बहुत कम बारिश होती थी यहाँ पर. And that too only in rainy season. So, what King Ghadsi did was, he made a big lake. You can see the lake. He made this lake with the help of his people. And how did they make a lake? By making a large pit so that water can be filled in it. बहुत गहरा गड्ढा जिसमें उन्होंने पानी कलेक्ट किया. He named it Ghadsi Sar. Sar means lake and Ghadsi was his name. Thus, it came to be known as Ghadsi Sar. Now, this Ghadsi Sar is a group of 9 interconnected lakes. Interconnected means जो एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं. 9 lakes हैं जो एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं. This lake was spread over many miles. It was made in such a way that when one lake was full, water flowed to another lake, which was at the lower level, जो नीचे थी, and then to the next lower level, and so on. This way, all 9 lakes were filled up. And the people in his kingdom used this water throughout the year. And this Ghadsi Sar belonged to each and everyone. Anyone can use water from this lake, but they took care to keep it clean. He also made ghats all around the lakes. These ghats had steps leading to water, so that anyone could come down these steps and get the water easily. He made many verandas, halls, rooms in these ghats, okay, and much more around this lake Ghadsi Sar. The people in his kingdom used these ghats for different purposes. अलग अलग पर्पस के लिए वो इन घाट्स को यूज़ भी करते थे. लाइक नंबर 1, टू सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल्स. यहाँ वो मिलकर फेस्टिवल्स मनाते थे. फॉर प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ म्यूज़िक एंड डांस. अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए म्यूज़िक और डांस का प्रोग्राम रखते थे. एंड दे यूज़ दीज घाट्स एज स्कूल्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन. इन घाट्स के रूम्स में बच्चों के लिए स्कूल भी चलता था. पीपल इन हिज किंगडम नेवर हैड शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर. उन्हें पानी की कभी भी कमी नहीं हुई. वाटर हियर वॉज फॉर एवरी वंस नीड. एवरी वन यूज्ड इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. बट टुडे many buildings and colonies have come up in between these lakes. You can see these colonies, they have come up between these lakes, and thus No rainwater is collected in these lakes, and all rainwater flows away and is wasted. So children, we should learn from these people and try to save water and keep the water bodies clean. Now children, everyone watch this story, read page number 51 of lesson 6 and do task 7 in